Paneer, found on every menu in every Indian restaurant. What mummy makes when घर में मेहमान आते हैं. The butt of all jokes on vegetarians and something that doesn't really occupy our minds on a daily basis. Or does it? Welcome to 2020 and what we were searching for on Google. Starting with, you guessed it, paneer and how to make it. Propelled perhaps by the rise of our inner Sanjeev Kapoor in the absence of mom, cookwali auntie and delivery restaurants. And speaking of cooking, remember Dalgona coffee? Denying that we didn't at least once search what it was is like denying we didn't at least once follow the 90s trend of platform heels and tere naam hairstyles. And finally, a special mention to those who are still figuring out how to link their Aadhaar card to PAN card, pandemic or no pandemic. Moving from the hows to the whats. Coronavirus, the virus that changed the world. The second most searched what is Binod. He was everywhere, virtually, inspiring not just memes but even brands. Also on the list, CAA. Remember that before the lockdown and the pandemic, the year started with massive protests across the country against the CAA bill. And now onwards to the most trending personalities. And topping the list, Joe Biden. Not Kamala Harris, nope, but Joe Biden. And the second most searched person? Well, we're just going to leave you with these visuals. Also making it to the list, Kanika Kapoor, Kim Jong-un and Amitabh Bachchan. It has been a truly dystopian year for us Indians on Google. A quick mention here for the movies that were most trending. Dil Bechara, thanks to the controversy caused by the tragic death of Sushant Singh Rajput, was the most trending movie. Also in the list, Surarai Potra, Tanhaji, Shakuntala Devi and Gunjan Saxena. And among the OTT shows, Money Heist and Scam 1992 beat out favorites Bigg Boss, Mirzapur 2 and Paatal Lok. And now presenting the top 5 of the overall most trending list in 2020. At number 5, Bihar election results. The first major election in a pandemic year, closely contested and proving all exit polls wrong. At number 4, PM Kisan Yojana. At number 3, US election results. At number 2, coronavirus. You'd expect that would be the number 1 trending anywhere in the world of the internet, but not in India. Because come pandemic or elections or economic instability, for us, nothing comes above the Indian Premier League, even with the fake audience and it not being held in India. But leaving all this aside, we want to end with what has been, in our opinion, the defining trend of the year, putting our faith back in humanity and giving us hope. People searched for food shelters and night shelters near them. And trends apart, in a year filled with bad news as we lost loved ones, millions left without a livelihood, frontline warriors who put their lives at risk, scientists racing against time to produce a vaccine, we may finally be seeing the beginning of the end of the pandemic. And trend or no trend, may this year end with a little bit more hope, empathy and kindness for one another.